I know that buyers are here today. I would buy at these support levels. As long as price doesn't break below, we know that the buyers are defending this level. So this is the game field. Buyers are here, sellers are around the top. So you have three good buying opportunities because you know the buyers are here today. They want this product. So I could buy this product at this price and I could sell it here and I earn the spread. I earn the difference between this low and this high. That is my profit for the day or for this trade. Once we see that price breaks above this resistance level, this tells us that this product is in demand. The buyers are willing to pay a higher price, and the sellers no longer are defending this level. So this takes it up to a next level. So people really want this product today. So it's further confirmation that the buyers are here, and you track this. This is what we do as traders. We track the levels and the price action. We see that buyers continue to want this product, and eventually there will come a time when the sellers step in and say, we want to sell it at this level, and you'll see that the buyers no longer want to buy at a higher price, and this creates an imbalance. Once we find this imbalance where the buyers no longer want to pay a higher price, then the sellers will take over, and then we'll start to see price head down, and we could also earn profits by selling the product. That's as simple as I see day trading. It's nothing more than me flipping items on eBay. I'm buying low, selling high. When the product is really high, I could unload it and I could sell from the top and make the profit on the way down. This is why, in my opinion, day trading is the best business to start. You need no inventory, no employees, no labor, no leases, no vehicles, no insurance. You don't need any of the liabilities that a business owner needs to get started flipping items on eBay, selling a product in a store. Wall Street provides me the product, which is the S&P 500. I just need to learn who's in control for the day, who wants this product, either the buyers or the sellers, and I facilitate the purchase, make my commissions in between.